What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then make sure you subscribe so you never miss a new video. And in today's video, I'm going to be continuing the series on my 3 unique exercises by covering triceps. I'm going to be showing you guys 3 awesome exercises for really putting on that mass. But if you do want to check out all the other videos within this series, I did cover back, chest, biceps, and shoulders. I did organize it into a playlist on my channel, so I would love if you guys go check that out and definitely binge watch that because there's a lot of great exercises within this series. However, with that being said, if you're looking to put some serious mass on your triceps and develop that horseshoe, then today's video is going to be for you. I've got 3 awesome, unique exercises for doing so. If you do want to get bigger arms, the first place to start is your triceps because they make up most of your arm size in general. So without further ado, let's just dive right into the first exercise. Starting off with the first unique exercise that I don't see a lot of people doing, but it's fantastic for really building those massive triceps. It's going to be the dumbbell tricep floor press. Not only does this allow you to move some serious weight because it's compound in nature, but the reason why I like doing them on the floor is because it allows your elbows to go into the perfect position for maximum tricep recruitment. The further you go down, so if you were performing on the bench, the further you let your elbows go down, the more chest and front delts you're going to recruit. So the floor really provides that stability aspect and really allows you to get that perfect movement every time to really put all the tension on your triceps and take it out of your delts and your chest. The main difference between this tricep floor press and a normal floor press is that you're going to be tucking your elbows to your side and really extending and allowing the peak contraction at the top. If you did have your elbows a little bit more flared out, you would be recruiting a lot more chest. So you've probably seen this exercise as a dumbbell floor press for chest, but like I mentioned, the difference is that you tuck your elbows to really engage those triceps the entire time. For programming this exercise, I would definitely do it earlier in your workout when you're fresh so you can really maximize the amount of weight that you're lifting, and I would aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps here. Now moving on to the second unique tricep exercise, and this is going to be really useful for really isolating each of your triceps. It's going to be the single arm Tate press. As you can see here, it mimics pretty close to a skull crusher, with the only real difference being that you're extending towards your chest versus extending over your head. If you do find the skull crushers or the lying dumbbell tricep extensions, whatever you want to call them, if you do find that they're bothering your elbows, then this does provide for the perfect variation, and I do get a lot less elbow pain and inflammation from doing it this way, so definitely give these ones a try. A big thing is to not let your ego lift the weight and really pick a weight that allows a bit of a challenge. You definitely want to challenge yourself, but you also want to maintain that strong mind-muscle connection the entire time, which is extremely important. It will really help you kind of get your head out of your elbow more towards your triceps, so make sure you do pick the right amount of weight. Yeah, and this is definitely going to help target the long head of your tricep, which is going to be a key part to really develop if you are looking to put some serious size on your arms. And for programming, I would probably put these more towards the middle of your workout, and I would aim for anywhere from 3 to 4 sets of 12 reps here. The third and final exercise is by far the most unique on the list, and it's going to be the machine straight bar tricep press. What you want to do is you want to find a chest press machine and grab yourself a tricep straight bar that you use for tricep push downs, or maybe even a lat pull down bar would work as well. And you want to position it behind the handles. This is going to allow you to transform the machine into a close grip press and really emphasize those triceps. Once you feel how it feels, you'll understand that the setup of this exercise is totally worth it. It's a perfect way to even add intensity techniques. You can do drop sets, but it's extremely smooth and you do get an amazing burn on your tricep. I'm sure that they do make machines like this, but I've never used one. So honestly, this is a great exercise, so I definitely recommend this one. I would program this exercise more towards the end of your workout. Like I mentioned with the drop set, I think that would make for a great finisher exercise on your last set if you did a drop set. But yeah, I think that this is a great machine variation to really blow up those triceps. I would aim for 3 to 4 sets of 10 reps here. Alright guys, that's going to conclude today's video on my 3 unique exercises for building some massive horseshoe shaped triceps. Definitely give these a try, and if you do find some of the exercises that you're currently doing getting stale, then these make for great additions to any workout program, and I guarantee you'll definitely put on some arm size in the process. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I do have a lot of great, exciting content that's planned in the works that I'm super excited to share with you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also turn on the bell notifications. I want to make sure you guys get notified every time I release a new video. So be sure to turn on those notifications and also drop the video a like. I do appreciate all the support and the feedback definitely goes a long way, and I'll catch everybody in the next one. All right, peace out.